The NAGA will be resuming talks with the Government of India after the monsoon parliament session. Informed sources said the chief of NAGA, T.H. Muiva, may also fly to the national capital to attend the talks. Led by its leader, General Retire Wastim, the NAGA held 3 rounds of talks in the month of June, the sources said. While the issue of flag and constitution still remains the core issues, sources inform that there are many loose ends which also need to be resolved. Then NAGA and goal are yet to become to a meeting ground to bring a logical conclusion to the decades of old Indo-Naga political issue. Manson may be mad that NAGA has made their position clear that any solution should be on basis of the 3 August 2015 Framework Agreement, FA. On 8th-year anniversary of signing of the FA, the outfit chairman Q Taku had hailed the historic FA as the greatest achievement and asserted that FA is not only an indelible chapter in the Naga political history, but also challenging task for Naga to stay the ground till the logical conclusion is sealed.